with a new chapter. Okay, sorry, new topic. So this is the chemical formula.
Yes, sir.
So have you seen any chemical formulas? Have you heard about sodium chloride?
Yes, sir.
So have you thought about that, how the sodium chloride has been formed? Have you think about it?
Yeah, sir. By the
Sir, your screen is not visible.
सर NaCl जब सर मिल जाता है तो फिर वो सोडियम क्लोराइड फॉर्म करता है.
My skin is visible or not?
No, sir.
No, sir, till it is written that you have started screen sharing.
yes, sir. Screen is not visible.
So tell me,
Start is visible.
it is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now it is
So
visible.
everything on the screen is visible now. Whatever
Yes,
I
sir.
have written on the screen,
Yes,
can you
sir.
tell? Can you tell whatever I have written?
NaCl.
Sir, you have written
Yes,
NaCl.
yes. Yes, so the thing is, maybe there will be different types of formulas in the chemistry and you have to tell the formulas, but maybe you'll be getting one thing and you'll be just telling the formula. So you have to decide how this formula has been formed, like NaCl. You are getting that one Na and one Cl is there in the NaCl and sodium chloride. So Na plus and Cl minus will be there. So why Na plus and Cl minus is there? Why it is not NaCl2? Can anyone tell to me?
Sir, can you repeat what did you say?
NaCl is containing one sodium and one chlorine. So can you tell why it is not containing two chlorine and one sodium? Or why it is not containing two sodium and one chlorine? So why it is containing only one sodium and only one chlorine?
Sir, it makes only one bond.
Sir, yes.
Because, sir, you want to
One by
complete
one,
it
one by
taking
one.
only
Yeah,
one
Make
electron.
only one bond.
Tanushka Rajput will tell you what one by one. Yeah, tell me. Navidya Mahajan, can you say? Anyone can
Sir,
say
I
on
think
that?
because, sir,
Ojas Gupta. Yeah, can anyone say on that?
Sir,
आपकी voice break हो रही है.
Just
Sir,
wait.
because it makes only
Sir,
one bond.
because it has to complete its electronic configuration. Yes,
Just wait, beta. Just wait.
Sir, it's completed its electronic configuration by giving one electron only.
sir, and he doesn't want to. He doesn't. It doesn't want to accept or give any.
Sir, if chlorine will take one electron, then its electronic configuration will be.
Is my voice coming fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
anyone
sir.
was someone was telling that just have to complete the configuration. Is it right?
Maybe.
Sir, maybe.
Yeah.
Sir, Na
Okay.
की power क्या? And sir, make their chemical bond.
No, no,
Sir,
not.
Sir,
I'm
एक ही bond
just
बनता है, sir, इसलिए.
asking. I'm just asking. Why two sodium has not been contained by the sodium chloride?
Because, sir, अगर वो
Sir, because अगर वो
देगा तो
यार
फिर
दोनों बोल दोगे क्या?
सर आप म्यूट कर दीजिए सर माइक.
सर मेरा सर एक डाउट था कि सर जो ओजोन होता है सर वो मतलब सर कोई एलिमेंट होता है?
No, beta. That is a compound. Ozone is the O3, and that is formed by oxygen, and ozone is a compound. Yeah, Navidya Mahajan, tell me.
सर गैस. सर बिकॉज सर क्योंकि अगर सोडियम उसको 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा तो सर क्लोरीन की एक तो वो तीसरी शेल तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगी बट सर एक शेल और जुड़ जाएगी और क्लोरीन को क्योंकि अपना और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कंप्लीट करना है इसलिए वो सिर्फ मुझसे एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन लेती है जिससे मेरी 3 की प्रॉपर शेल फिल्स हो जाए.
Great. So, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the thing is there, like NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus is there. So sodium
Sir,
will be.
पर आप तो बोल रहे थे कि दो सोडियम
Wait,
के
yeah.
इलेक्ट्रॉन.
Just mute yourself and wait. I'm just muting all of you. Okay. There's no need to any conversation with that. If I'll ask, then you will say. So sodium is having the. Okay, I'm just telling the charge firstly. What is the charge? sodium is having the configuration 2, 8, and 1. So sodium is containing the 1 electron in its outermost orbital or on outermost shell. So sodium is ready to give the electron to any of the atom that is containing the electron to form the octet. So chlorine is present there, iodine is present there, bromine is present there, that is responsible to take the electron from other atoms to complete the octet. Okay, sodium is having the 1 electron in the outermost orbital. So if we will give the 1 electron, so sodium will be containing the positive charge, and also sodium will be having the 2,8 configuration. Is it right or not? Okay. So if sodium is having the 2,8 configuration, so it is the stable configuration, and chlorine is having the 2,8,7 configuration, and after taking 1 electron, it will be having 2. Don't write anything. I'm just telling you to just understand. Just understand it. Don't write anything. I'll give you a recording also. So chlorine is containing 1 electron from sodium to contain the to complete the octet of chlorine, and the chlorine will be completing the octet just because of 1 electron has been transferred from the sodium. So sodium is also having the complete octet, and chlorine is also having the complete octet now. So both the octet has been completed, and sodium plus and chlorine minus can be attacked to each other to make a bond now. Okay. So sodium is containing the positive charge and chlorine is containing the negative charge. And obviously, since our childhood, we are seeing that positive charge and negative charge are attracting to each other. So we can also say the concept of that, but there is not any concept like that, because we are not giving the force concept. We are not giving the any physics concept here. So we are just going for the chemistry concept. So we will make a bond. So in the chemistry, sodium and chlorine has been made a bond. So sodium chloride has been formed. So can you think why sodium has not taken, why 2 sodium has not taken here and 1 chlorine is not taken here? Because 2 positive ion will be here in the 2 sodium, and every positive and negative ion should be cancelled in a compound or in a chemical formula. It is obvious that if you will see any compound, then all the positive and all the negative charge will be cancelled out just because of the positive and negative charge. I'm just showing you some examples. If there is calcium, so calcium is having the positive charge every time you are seeing like that, because calcium is having the 2,8,8,2 configuration, and calcium is ready to donate the 2 electron to form the 2 positive charge on it. Is it okay or not? Okay. So calcium is ready to make the 2 positive charge on itself. So calcium will be having the 2 positive charge. So it will be ready to make the 2 positive charge. So if we will attach only 1 chlorine here, so Ca++ and Cl- will be there, and 1 positive charge will cancel 1 negative charge, but 1 positive charge will be remained as it is on the calcium. That's why we are taking 2 calcium atoms to complete the charge capability, to neutralize the charge, because calcium is having that 2 positive charge, and we will require 2 negative charge to complete the octet and also to neutralize the atom. So we have to always think about the neutralization of the charge whenever we will be forming the compound, whenever we will be forming the chemical formula. So here it is very, very easy to solve. If you are just solving it with the positive and negative charge, so calcium will be having the 2 positive charge and chlorine will be having the 1 negative charge. That's why 2 chlorine has been taken if we will make any bond between calcium and chloride. So there is calcium chloride formula is CaCl2. CaCl2, not CaCl. It will be CaCl2 because Ca will be having +2 charge and chlorine will be having -1 charge. And if we will multiply on -1, then it will be converted into -2. So +2 and -2 will be neutralized to each other, and the overall charge will be 0. I don't think there will be any problem with anyone till now. Now I'm just asking you, if there is aluminum is having the +3 charge. So how many chlorine will be required at the aluminum to form the bond? How many chlorine will be required to make the, Navidya Mahajan is saying there will be 3 chlorine required, because 1 chlorine will be taken by 1 negative charge and 1 negative charge will be given by 1 chlorine. So there will be 3 negative charge required, -1, -1 and -1. That's why we will follow the formula AlCl3. AlCl3. One more thing here you have to think about, the 3 cannot be take place at the AL and between AL and the 3. You cannot write like this. Just try to see on the screen. You cannot write like this. If you will write like this, then its mean will be AL3CL. But here only and only you can write AlCl3. So whenever you are just increasing the count of any of the atom, you will multiply that atom on the right side of the elements. Whenever you will be using anything, you will just multiply on the right side with the any number of elements, with the any number of counting, but always you will be taking care about the positive and negative. Yeah, or one more thing, I'm just asking you one more question. Can anyone tell there is potassium and there is iodine? Can anyone tell what will be the formula? Okay, I'm just unmuting all of you. Can anyone tell what will be the formula for this potassium and iodine? Yeah, I have just unmuted you. Hello, can anyone tell?
Potassium and iodine.
Potassium, how many potassium will be taken?
Ma'am, sir, we can.
But I'll give you a simple formula to make any of the formula. I'll give you a simple trick and simple mechanism. But right now I'm just asking you, for one potassium and one iodine, how many potassium and for
Sir,
a potassium?
K1.
सर
K1 and L1.
सर एक बैलेंस कर देगा
Sir, formula.
Because potassium is having
and
+1 charge
I1.
generally and iodine is having the negative charge generally. That's why we will take one potassium and one iodine and it will be forming potassium iodide. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
If
sir.
we are having magnesium ion,
आयोडीन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
Confusion.
sorry,
आयोडीन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कितना होता है?
बेटा आयोडीन के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, इसका एलिमेंट बहुत नीचे आता है और वहां तक आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। बस इतना जानने की जरूरत है कि जो आयोडीन है वो हैलोजन फैमिली में आता है, मतलब क्लोरीन, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन और आयोडीन के बाद तो जितने नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इसमें होंगे आउटर मोस्ट में, उतने इसमें भी, उतने इसमें भी और उतने इसमें भी। तो बस ऐसे हम इसको सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि फ्लोरीन के पास जितने हैं उतने ही आउटर मोस्ट में आयोडीन के
सर,
पास
एक एक्सरसाइज में भी क्वेश्चन था which
I already told you about it. अच्छा एक बात और है, अगर मैग्नीशियम हमारे पास है और उसके साथ साथ आयोडीन है तो व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला?
सर 2 आयोडीन
sir, 2
2 आयोडीन
2 iodine.
1 मैग्नीशियम
So can you tell the formula directly?
iodine and 1 magnesium.
सर MgI2
Gi2.
MgI2. Why it is not Mg2I?
Sir, because it will tell
because sir
बेटा अगर हमने इसको Mg2I कर दिया होता तो मैग्नीशियम is having the +2 charge and iodine is having the -1 charge. और हमने
रिवीजन करवा रहे हो ना एक बार?
क्या रिवीजन करवा रहे हैं? नया टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं भैया?
हाँ सर, आप नया टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हो।
क्या हो गया यार? Magnesium having the +2 charge, so +2 will be multiplied by 2 and iodine is having the -1, तो I'll be taking -1. तो ये कैंसिल नहीं कर पाएंगे एक दूसरे को, that's why हम यहाँ पर 2 नहीं कर सकते और we have only one option, so we can take iodine 2 because iodine is having the -1 charge and magnesium is having the +2 charge. So we can cancel out positive and negative by the magnesium and iodine. So we will be taking the magnesium ion at the positive charge. And if I'll be taking iodine as a negative charge, that's why we will be reacting with each other and magnesium iodide MgI2 will form. Is it very easy to calculate the magnesium iodide just because of that iodine is having the -1 charge and magnesium is having the +2 charge. Is it clear or not?
सर आपने मैग्नीशियम आयोडाइड जैसे और एग्जांपल्स दिए थे सर, वो समझ नहीं आया था।
कौन सा समझ नहीं आया था? कौन सा नहीं समझ आया तो बताओ।
सर उनके तो आपने एग्जांपल्स दिए थे वो सारे
कहाँ दिए हैं एग्जांपल? बताओ ऊपर कहाँ दिए एग्जांपल? कौन से वाले दिए? पोटेशियम आयोडाइड समझ नहीं आया?
सर वो मेरे को लग रहा है वो हैलोजन फैमिली वाला की बात कर रही है।
क्या समझ नहीं आया है? AlCl3 is having Al is having +3 charge. अरे I'll tell you the simple formula to calculate it. There's not any problem. I have only one trick to always calculating it. There's not any problem with that. But you have to just click on that कि आपको कैसे इसको solve करना है. Because fluorine is having the -1 charge and iodine is okay. I'm just telling you one more thing. Fluorine, if you are asking like this, if fluorine is having chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So it is the halogen family. If you will see the periodic table, you will find fluorine and below chlorine, below bromine, below iodine. I already told you in the previous classes, fluorine will be having -1 charge generally. So chlorine will also be -1 charge, and each and every element of this series will be having the -1 charge. So you have to always think about that. If there is the element in a group, then always the positivity and negativity will be similar. Like in the first group, there is sodium. Just try to see on that sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. There is a periodic table. If sodium will contain positive, then potassium will also contain positive one, rubidium positive one, and cesium will be also positive one. So each and every element of this group will be containing the positive one charge. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
सर एग्जाम में सर आयोडीन का पूछेंगे?
Why
सर
not?
वो सर 20 से ऊपर का पूछेंगे एग्जाम में?
Obviously, if iodine is containing the halogen group, so why I'll not assume? I just told you chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So chlorine is having the -1 charge, iodine is having the -1 charge, and bromine is having the -1 charge. So I'm just telling you only some limited examples, not at all like you will be just solving the or you will be remembering what whole 117 elements. So only you have to remember some limited examples like iodine, bromine, chlorine, and potassium, rubidium, and cesium.
Sir, can you tell the spelling of bromine?
Sorry.
Can you tell the spelling of bromine?
Bromine is the Br. You can follow the periodic table for that. You will see. You will find that. There is nothing to worry about. Consider it.
Sir, I just take a periodic table besides me.
Sorry.
Sir, I just take a periodic table besides me for that.
Okay. So I had just given you some examples like aluminium. So aluminium is having the +3 charge and chlorine is having the -1 charge. So what will be having the formula of aluminium chloride?
Sir, AlC3.
How is it?
AlCl3. AlCl3.
Okay. So have you calculated AlCl3? So AlCl3, just because of that, Al is having the +3 charge and chlorine is having the -1 charge. That's why -1 has been completed with the calculated after the reaction, and you had just multiplied 3 just because of the cancelling the neutral and neutralizing the thing. Okay, I'm just giving you a simple formula to calculate any formula. So Arnav Chaturvedi, are you getting everything?
Yes sir.
Is there any problem?
सर मुझे सर अभी सर जो आप कॉन्सेप्ट बता रहे हैं सर, ये वाला सर एल्यूमिनियम वाला सर, ये जो अभी आपने सामने स्क्रीन पर लिखा है सर, वो थोड़ा मुझे समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा फिर समझ में क्या आया? जब ये समझ नहीं आया तो पीछे वाला कैसे समझ आ गया? जब एल्यूमिनियम का नहीं समझ में आया कि एल्यूमिनियम यहाँ पे भी बताया, ऊपर भी बताया और नीचे भी बताया पोटेशियम आयोडाइड, तो तीनों जगह बताया वही चीज मैंने, मतलब पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज। सॉरी, मतलब you have to cancel the positive charge and negative charge only, and you have to neutralize the thing. So how have you calculated the first, second, and third, but you have not got the last one? Okay, I'm just giving you a simple formula. There will not be any problem after that. If you are calculating any formula, like magnesium is there and you have the chlorine, any number of elements is there, any positive, any negative is there, only you have to check the positive and negative charge. Only you have to calculate the charge. So are you able to calculate the charge now? Are you able to calculate the charge? Because I already told you.
Sir, in Mg there will be 2 charges now.
Yeah, Mg will be having the 2 charges. Okay, I'm just giving you the simple example. I'm just giving you how to calculate it. No problem. Just try to find that. I already told you the electronic configuration. If you will follow me, then definitely you will be getting the charge.
Sir, in silicon and carbon, in our this test, it will not come, na?
No.
minus.
Whatever I will tell you in your class, that will be coming in the exam. Nothing more than that. Okay.
आप सर क्या ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं कि
सर हमारी सर ये सर इस बार से
ऐसे किसी भी
चैप्टर
एलिमेंट का आप पूछेंगे ना
क्या बेटा?
सर इस बार से
What has been happened यार, बोलो बेटा। अर्नव चतुर्वेदी क्या हो गया यार?
सर हमारा सर टेस्ट में सर पूरे मतलब वो आने वाला है ना सर, फर्स्ट चैप्टर पूरा। तो सर फर्स्ट चैप्टर में सर जो आपने हमें सर वो एक टॉपिक बताया था आयंस में, वो पार्ट्स बताए थे, कैशन और एनियन के पार्ट्स बताए थे ना।
क्या बताया था?
सर कैटायन और एनायन।
अरे यार, पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कैटायन, एनायन को नेगेटिव चार्ज, बस कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें, मतलब और कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें।
और सब मोनो वैलेंट, ट्रायोवैलेंट,
डिएटॉमिक सर, डिएटॉमिक, ट्रिएटॉमिक सर, ये सारे
डिएटॉमिक, ट्रिएटॉमिक,
सर ये सारे जो टाइप्स है ना सर, वो आप एक बार बता दीजिएगा।
चलो कल कितने बजे रखें एक्स्ट्रा क्लास?
सर सुबह
सुबह ही रख लीजिए।
सुबह 11 बजे।
नॉट फ्री इन मॉर्निंग।
सर
सर सुबह तो क्लासेस होती हैं।
लीजिए, बट सर फिर जुलाई का फिर हम नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि फिर सर हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी।
सर सुबह
1 बजे के बाद, 1 बजे के बाद रख ले।
यस सर, ये ठीक है
सर।
सर 1 बजे के बाद ही रख लो।
1 बजे तक
रख लीजिए
सर या तो 12 बजे रख लो सर, या तो 1 बजे।
Wait. How many students are saying there is a problem at 1 PM?
No sir, no sir.
No sir.
How many students are saying that problem? अरे यार,
No.
बेटा, I'm not asking कि
No, sir.
कोई कह रहा है कि मत रखो, ऐसा बोल रहा है कोई 1 बजे?
No sir.
हाँ सर, 1 बजे तक भी क्लास
केमिस्ट्री
साढ़े
क्लास।
बजे तक।
No sir.
एक बच्चा बोल रहा है
सर डाउट क्लास।
No sir.
सर 1 PM
Can we have a class at 2 PM?
यस सर,
Yes sir,
2
2 PM पे रख लो सर।
PM भी नहीं
सर सुबह ही रख लीजिए।
Not before that. Yeah,
सर
please.
सुबह रख लो।
Just muting
सुबह
you.
6
Just muting you, but I cannot teach you like that. Just muting you. बेटा 2 बजे के बाद मैं क्लास रख दूंगा। 2 बजे अगर किसी को दिक्कत है तो मेरे को बता देना, अगर है नहीं दिक्कत तो मैं 2 बजे रख दूंगा, या 3 बजे किसी को, अगर 3 बजे या 2 बजे में रख दूंगा, एक बार देख ले, बाकी छोड़ो। देखो मैंने अभी आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताया हुआ है, बस उसको फॉलो करो और कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं थोड़े बहुत एलिमेंट्स के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा, बस कैसे उनके में कैलकुलेट करते हैं चार्जेस, और कुछ के मैं आपको चार्ज दे दूंगा कि उनका चार्ज कितना होता है। तो आपको 2-4 याद करने पड़ेंगे, बाकी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो। जो ये आपका पीरियडिक टेबल खोल के देखोगे तो बेटा आप अर्नव चतुर्वेदी प्लीज सी इट, प्लीज रिवाइज इट, जस्ट प्लीज सी इट। अगर कुछ बता रहा हूं तो ये कोई एक ऑप्शन नहीं है कि यू विल बी सेइंग कि जस्ट रिपीट इट वंस, जस्ट ट्राई टू सी इट वंस यार। इफ देयर इज द फर्स्ट ग्रुप, you will be having the first group and lithium is there. Just try to follow the electronic configuration. The configuration of lithium is 2-1. Configuration of sodium is 2-8-1. Configuration of potassium is 2-8-8-1. And you are seeing in each and every element 1 is coming in the last. And you will be following. अगर आप देखोगे हर किसी एलिमेंट के पास लास्ट में 1 आएगा. If there will be 1 in the last of every element, then you can say after donating 1 electron, it can be find magical number configuration. There should not be any problem with anyone. But Arnov Chaturvedi is personal treatment for you, yaar. Please try to see it once. अगर लास्ट में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन बचा है, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा तो ऑब्वियसली एक ही पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा, और उस पॉजिटिव चार्ज की वजह से इन एलिमेंट्स के पास, जो ग्रुप 1 है, उस ग्रुप 1 के पास केवल एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज ही आ सकता है. Is it clear or not? And after donating the 1 electron, it will be finding the octet complete, and also it will be finding the neutralized atom and neutralized state, and also stabilized state. just because of that it is the magical number after donating the one electron. तो जो पहला group है, each and every element of the first group will be containing plus one charge. Just because of that, each and every will be contributing one electron to any of them. That's why plus one charge will be common in the first group. In each and every element, this. First group means the alkali metals. If you will be following that, alkali metal is the first group. The second group is the metals. It is the alkaline earth metal. Don't follow the name. Just try to see the second one. Second one will be having the beryllium is having the configuration 2,2 and magnesium is having the configuration 2,8,2. That's and calcium is having the configuration 2,8,8,2. That's why in each and every element, every time you will be seeing that each and every element will be containing 2 electron in its outermost orbital. That's why if it will be donating the electron and it will be finding the complete octet or stabilized octet, so it will be containing 2 electron. That's why beryllium will also contain 2 electron, magnesium will also contain 2 electron. Two positive charges, because 2 electron means outermost electrons. And if it will be just donating the electron to find the stability, so beryllium, magnesium, calcium, all the three will be containing the 2 positive charge. This will also be containing 2 positive charge, but you need not to worry about these because below elements are not coming in your exam and in your syllabus. So you have to think about only beryllium, magnesium and calcium. So beryllium is having the positive charge. So I'm just writing whatever you have to learn about. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and in the second group you have to remember beryllium, beryllium and magnesium and calcium. So only 3 are required. So all the 3 are containing the positive 2 charge, and lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium is containing positive 1 charge. Please see it once. I'm just trying to tell you each and everything at the ground level. There will not be any problem after this. Okay. The third containing group, and I told you in each and every class how this is containing the positive charge after donating the electron. So first group will be containing the positive 1 charge, second group will be containing the positive 2 charge, and in the third group there will be positive 3 charge. Just because of that, boron is containing 2, 3, aluminum is containing 2, 8, 3. So each and every time you will be following that 3 electron will be there in the outermost orbital. I already told you it can contain 3 positive charge. That's why aluminum and boron will be containing the 3 positive charge. Yes, if the charge will require gallium, indium and thallium will also be containing the positive 3 charge, but you need not to worry about gallium, indium and thallium just because of that. That is not in our syllabus. So you have to just think about only boron and the aluminum. So boron and aluminum can contain the 3 positive charge. Boron and aluminum can contain the 3 positive charge. Not every time boron, but aluminum will always contain 3 positive charge. Boron can make the bond with a covalent bond. So it is easy to make bond of boron with a covalent bond, but I'll tell you when I'll discuss the covalent bond. Okay. So in the third group, okay, I'm just also saying you need not to worry about this group. Just leave these group. These are not coming in your syllabus because this is the D block elements and this is not your example, not your exam syllabus. So you have to think about the first, second, and this is the third for you. Okay, the carbon is having the covalent bond. That's why we will not talk about the charge. Nitrogen is having the -3 charge, and I already told you how it is containing the -3 charge, and I already give you a simple underline where there was the number line projection. So I was telling you carbon will be considering as the covalent bond, and after that right side will be containing -3, -2 and -1. But the left side will be containing +3, +2 and +1. That's why I'm just writing that the first group will be containing positive 1 charge, second group will be containing +2 charge, and the third group will be containing +3 charge. And after that, carbon compound will be there, and that will be having the covalent bond character. And after that, nitrogen will come, and nitrogen will be having the -3 charge. And after that, oxygen will come, and oxygen will be having the -2 charge. I already told you why oxygen. So if nitrogen is containing -2 charge, so nitrogen and phosphorus will also be coming in the same series because this is coming in the same group. That's why everyone will be following the same thing. That's why nitrogen and phosphorus will also be containing the -3 charge max to max. I told you these things previously also. After that, oxygen and sulfur is coming, and oxygen and sulfur is containing the -2 charge, and I already told you how it is containing -2 charge. So oxygen and sulfur will be having the -2 charge. Okay. And after that, there is the halogen family in the fluorine group, and the halogen family will be containing the -1 charge because it is having the 287 configuration fluorine, and chlorine is having the 27 configuration for the fluorine and 287 configuration for the chlorine, and after that bromine, and after that iodine. So in each and every situation there will be 7 electron in its outermost orbital. That's why it will be ready to find the 1 electron to complete the octet. So it is having -1 charge because it is having the probability of taking 1 charge, probability of taking 1 electron to complete the octet, and also complete the electronic configuration and to stabilize itself. That's why it will be containing 1 electron from the other elements. So it will be having the -1 charge. So halogen family, and in the halogen family you have to remember the 4 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So only these elements you have to remember what will be charged in it. So in it there will be -1 charge. I don't think there will be any problem with anyone because I told you the charge number of time in the class itself. So I'm just unmuting you. You can say if you have any question. Yes. Have you any problem?
सर हम लोग जब बोरॉन वाली फैमिली से ऑक्सीजन वाली फैमिली के बीच में किसी को कुछ भी नहीं बोलते, जैसे वो हाइड्रोजन वाली फैमिली को हम एल्काइल बोलते थे, बेरिलियम वाली फैमिली को हम एल्काइल मेटल बोलते थे, और फ्लोरीन वाली फैमिली को हम हैलोजन बोलते थे।
बेटा इसको ऑक्सीजन फैमिली, इसको नाइट्रोजन फैमिली, इसको कार्बन फैमिली और इसको बोरॉन फैमिली बोलते हैं। जो पहला एलिमेंट है उसी की फैमिली है, ठीक है। पहला है
सर एक डाउट है।
हाँ बेटा अर्णव चतुर्वेदी, यू कैन टेल।
सर कि सर अभी सर आपने मतलब ये सर क्रॉस इसमें लगाया है, तो सर ये सारे अभी हमारे कोर्स में नहीं है।
नहीं
सर जिसके ऊपर आपने क्रॉस लगा है वो मेटल्स होते हैं ना,
उनके बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है,
पीरियोडिक टेबल
उनके बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है। कुछ एलिमेंट बताऊंगा केवल वही पढ़ना है, जितने बताए उनके चार्ज याद करना है बस।
कौन से
और सर जो आपने ये वाला बताया 38 एलिमेंट, 56 एलिमेंट और 88 एलिमेंट, सर ये वाला आप सर एक और बता सकते हैं?
कहाँ बताया था
सर? ये सर आपने नीचे मार्क किया है ना, +1 एलिमेंट कर देंगे
तो
ये
हीलियम वाली जो फैमिली है सर उसमें हमको ज़ेनॉन तक करना है क्या? मतलब सर ये कुछ बॉन्ड ऑन तो बनाएंगे नहीं, पर सर हमको करना तो
याद करना है तो कर लेना, किसी को याद हो रहा है तो कर लेना, नहीं तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है करने की। हाँ क्या बोल रहे बेटा, कहाँ पे मैंने गोला लगाया हुआ है, बॉन्ड बनाया हुआ है, क्या बोल रहे? 38, 56, 88 नहीं याद करना है यार, इसको मत याद करना, नीचे वाले को जरूरत नहीं है इनकी, इसलिए मैंने बोला मत याद करना इनको, ठीक है। और करना है किसी को, अगर एक्स्ट्रा एग्जांपल लेना है किसको, अगर स्मार्ट
सर कहाँ तक आएगी पीरियोडिक टेबल?
बेटा जितने एलिमेंट बताए उतने ही आएंगे।
20 तक बताए हैं।
हैं?
ठीक है सर,
20 तक ही तो बताए हैं।
अच्छा आज नहीं बताया इतने हमने, 1 2
सर
3 4
बताया
3 7 और ये 2 9 2 11 2 13 और ये 4 17, ये बताया नहीं मैंने आज?
सर ये तो बताए सुनिए कैसे, और भी तो पहले
क्रिप्टन और जेनन भी बताए हैं।
अरे सब बताया यार क्लास में, सर रो करके बताया मैंने, 1 घंटे पढ़ाया हुआ चार्ज के बारे में। आज कोई क्लास में बोलने वाला नहीं कि चार्ज क्या होता है, ऐसी क्लास है आपकी। अब बाद में बोलोगे मेरी गलती है। जहां पे क्रॉस लग जाता है उसके बारे में क्वेश्चन करते हुए क्यों क्रॉस लगाया हुआ है, क्यों करोगे, फर्जी के क्वेश्चन करते हो जो पढ़ने की चीज को कभी सीखते नहीं हो, तो सीख कभी नहीं पाओगे पूरी जिंदगी में। हम लिख के दे रहा हूँ, अगर चीजें समझ के पढ़ोगे, चीजें अगर ट्राई करोगे पढ़ने का तभी होगा। नहीं तो क्रॉस कहाँ लगा है, कहाँ गोला लगा है, कहाँ पे लगा, कहाँ पे नहीं पढ़ना है, ये ट्राई करते रह जाओगे। इसी आज मैंने बताया नहीं इस एलिमेंट्स के बारे में, मैंने एक ही चीज क्या बताया नहीं, इसका -1 चार्ज क्यों होता है, क्या पहले नहीं बता रही है चार्ज मैंने? बोलो
बताया था,
तो फिर क्या दिक्कत थी इसमें? लेकिन बताना पड़ा ना मुझे, आज नहीं रिवाइज करना चाहता कोई, नहीं इंटरेस्ट है, मत करो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं है। अभी नहीं में से कोई उठाता हूं मैं, कैल्शियम उठा लिया मैंने, और इनमें से कोई उठा लिया, मान लो मैंने उठा लिया ब्रोमीन, तो कैल्शियम के पास कितना चार्ज है बेटा?
+2
सर +2 का चार्ज
ब्रोमीन के पास
-1
negative
सर -1
what will be the product? What will be the
CaBr2
अब मैं आपको बताऊं बेटा, करना कुछ नहीं होता है। सबसे पहले इनके चार्ज को ऊपर यार wait यार, you have to only mention the charge. But I am just telling you, so just please listen to me yaar. You have to just mention the charge on it. You have to write the charge on the downward direction. So calcium is having the 2 charge. Bromine is having the 1 charge. Only you have to cross multiply, nothing. You have to only cross multiply, bus. And after the cross multiply, you will find Ca into 1 and Br into 2. So it will be containing CaBr2. Obviously, it will be coming. In any example, like in the sodium chloride, sodium is having the positive charge and chlorine is having the negative charge, -1 charge. Only you have to write the number. There is the 1 and chlorine is having the 1. So it will be just multiplying in the opposite direction, 1 and 1. एक चीज बस फॉलो करनी है, एक पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए और एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए। अगर एक पॉजिटिव है और एक नेगेटिव है, just try to multiply directly, and Na will be also having 1 and Cl will be also having 1. That's why it will be the NaCl. Any of the example will be there and you will be just following the example. बस कुछ करना ही नहीं है। Al triple plus is there and Cl minus is there. Only you have to just write down the elemental number
ACl3.
and you have to just cross multiply. And the cross multiply, Al will be containing 1 and Cl will be containing 3. It is very easy example, and AlCl3 is formed just because of that. Cl is containing 3, and I already told you कि right side में हमेशा multiply करेंगे चाहे जब करें. Is there any problem?
No sir, no problem.
Arnav Chaturvedi, have you got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anna Chaturvedi will tell aluminium and oxide, aluminium is there and oxygen is there. What will be the formula formed by aluminium and oxygen? Only Anna Chaturvedi will tell. Tell me, beta.
Sir, aluminium and oxygen.
Yes, beta. I have written both the aluminium and oxygen. So what will be the formula formed by aluminium and oxygen? So if you have aluminium and oxygen, so aluminium is having the +3 charge and oxygen having the -2 charge. So I already told
+3 charge and oxygen will be having -2
I
charge.
already told you just before 1 second. I told you that thing. Just try to tell me the formula. You have not to worry about anything. What will be the formula? Aluminium is having the +3 charge and oxygen having the -2 charge. Oxygen is having the minus charge and aluminium is having the positive charge. That's why a compound. No,
It is very simple. I understand.
okay, yes, tell now, beta. What is the product?
Sir, can I tell?
No, and not anyone will tell.
Sir, if Anna Chaturvedi will not tell, so can I tell?
Yes, after that we will tell. Arnav Chaudhary, beta, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, beta. Hello? Am I audible?
muted his
Sir, he is muted.
Beta, every time don't try to
Sir,
say.
aluminium will be +3 and oxygen will be -2.
Beta, I already told that.
Then they will
Sir,
be.
can I tell? Please, sir, I had.
So can I tell Ojas?
So can I tell?
Can I tell Naivedya Mahajan?
Can I tell Ojas
Navidya
Gupta?
Mahajan.
Sir, Al2O3 because sir,
Yes, Al is having the
Yes,
+3
sir.
charge and oxygen is having the -2 charge. You have not to think about anything. Just try to think about the formula and you have to write the number and it will just cross multiply.
Sir, in
Not
positive.
try to tell every time, just revise, just repeat. Try to follow me, beta. I'm just telling you everything in the class. Just try to follow me. So Al2O3 will form. Is it clear or not? Is there any student in the class who cannot understand this concept?
No,
Is there
sir.
any student in the class who cannot understand this concept? I'll tell you, beta, with a number of examples.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
मतलब sir, एक second. सर एक सेकंड मुझे पूछना है। सर कि सर आपने सर मेरे आंसर में आया था एल्यूमिनियम प्लस एंड
सर एक और एग्जांपल बता दो।
तुम्हें इक्वेशन बतानी है, चार्ज नहीं
थ्री
बतानी।
लिखना।
बेटा प्लीज म्यूट यार, प्लीज म्यूट, बेटा प्लीज म्यूट,
सर
म्यूट यार, बेटा प्लीज म्यूट. There is aluminium and there is sulfur. So try to tell me the formula and I'll tell Ojas Gupta will tell. Aluminium and sulfur. Aluminium and sulfur.
Yes, sir. I'm telling 7 seconds.
Okay, beta, just tell me.
Sir, Al2S3.
Why, beta?
Sir, because I have cross multiplied. First, I have taken Al that 3 and S equals to that 2. And sir, I have then cross multiplied both
Okay.
Al2 and S3.
There is nothing to worry about. Aluminium is having the 3 charge, that's why it is having 3, and sulfur is having 2 charge, that's why I have written 2. So aluminium will be multiplied by 2 and sulfur will be multiplied by 3. So Al2, yes, 3 will be formed. I don't think there will be any problem with it. Okay.
सर बहुत इजी है सर।
क्या नहीं समझ में आया बेटा?
ये आ गया ना
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ बहुत इजी है।
किसको समझ नहीं आया ये बताओ?
किसी को नहीं सर आ तो गया समझ। सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा सर, सिंपल है।
एक बेटा, there is calcium and there is nitrogen. So can you tell the formula? What will be formula formed by this calcium and nitrogen?
Sir, can I tell Ojas Gupta?
Yes.
Ca3N2.
Ca is having the +2 charge and nitrogen
Sir,
having the
Ca3N2.
nitrogen having the -3 charge. That's why Ca will be just taking 2 and nitrogen will be just taking 3, and it will be directly cross multiplied, and there is nothing to worry about. It will form a formula Ca3N2. There is not any problem with anyone. Okay, I'm just giving you another example. Sodium and nitrogen. Can anyone tell? Navidya Mahajan. Navidya Mahajan.
Sir, Na3N.
It is wrong. Can anyone else tell?
Sir, Na3N.
सर
Anyone else? Saswa Sappal?
और Na3 सर
Na1N3.
Sameer Maurya? Sameer Maurya?
Na1N3.
Na1N3.
Na3.
Na3. Beta no.
Sir, Na3N
Na3N. Sir, Na3N ही आएगा.
Yes. Beta Na is having the +1 charge and sodium is nitrogen having the -3 charge. That side is having sodium will be containing 1 and nitrogen will be containing 3. So directly it will be converted in Na3N.
सर मैंने भी तो सर यही बताया था सर।
Yeah, I know. Number of students are saying right. I was just giving a confusion to all of you. Okay. Sodium and oxygen. Can anyone tell?
सर आंसर ही होगा सर। सर
सर Na2O।
Arnav Chaturvedi.
Na2O.
Arnav Chaturvedi.
Sir, I can tell answer.
No, I'm just giving you another. Arnav Chaturvedi, for you another example is there ready for you. Potassium is there.
Yes, sir.
And nitrogen is there. Just tell me.
सर कैन आई टेल शाश्वत।
Can I tell Navidya Mahajan?
Tell Ojas Gupta.
सर कैन आई टेल शाश्वत।
Sir, can I?
Arnav Chaturvedi, can you tell?
Sir, I'm telling.
Hey, there is not any problem with this.
Sir, can I tell Shashwat?
Yes.
तो बहुत सिंपल है सर, इन दोनों की पावर को इंटरचेंज कर दें।
K3N.
क्या आप
K3N,
सभी को
K3N.
पता है, एक बात का पता चला कि नाइट्रोजन के पास जो ये नीचे वैल्यू लिखी है इसकी वैलेंसी है, पोटेशियम की ये वैलेंसी है। क्या कभी सोचा इस बात को? चार्ज नहीं लिखा है लेकिन ये वैलेंसी है। क्या कभी समझ में आया? सोडियम इज हैविंग 1, नाइट्रोजन हैविंग 2।
सर क्योंकि वैलेंसी कभी माइनस में नहीं लिखी जाती।
वैलेंसी है, क्या पता चल पा रहा है? सोडियम के पास यहाँ एलिमेंट के पास प्लस, ये वैलेंसी।
सर
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
सर अगर किसी
स्क्रीन को
सर,
थोड़ा नीचे
अगर
कर
किसी-
सकते हैं?
बेटा स्क्रीन नीचे ऊपर करवाओ, ऐसे एग्जांपल बताया नहीं कोई।
सर कैन आई
हाँ, बोलो।
आस्क सर, अगर किसी एलिमेंट की वैलेंसी 1 है और सर तो फिर सर हम ऐसे डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं ना Ca, तो फिर सर अगर उसमें तो कोई भी हम लेते हैं तो फिर सर उसमें 1 लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है सर, डायरेक्ट उसका लिख के कर सकते हैं ना।
हाँ, और एक बात और ध्यान रखनी, जब भी एक कंपाउंड बनेगा वैलेंसी भले ही कुछ भी हो, मतलब वैलेंसी तो चलो ठीक है अपनी तरफ पे, ठीक है एक बात, लेकिन चार्ज अपोजिट होने चाहिए। अगर चार्ज सेम हो गया ना, so it will not form any compound because charge will be opposite. That's why the reason will be there कि we have to neutralize the atom, and if the neutralization is not taking place in any compound, so it will not form any of the compound, it will not form any of the product. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes sir.
So charge should be
potassium
opposite.
nitrate
So
का
if
formula
like we are taking potassium and we are also taking sodium. So sodium and potassium, in mix of sodium and potassium, there will not be any charge formed because positive and positive cannot cancel to each other. That's why they cannot form the bonds. Is it clear? Okay, there is some negative charge and some positive charge. You have to remember that. Only you have to remember that. Okay. SO4 minus minus. SO4 it is name of SO4 is sulfate. Sulfate ion. And ion is the negative. Okay, sulfate. Okay, and also some examples are there. NO3 minus.
Sir, now
Nitrate. Sodium, it is called as nitrate. NO3 minus, so -1 charge is there.
सर अपन माइनस क्यों लगा रहे हैं?
You have to remember that, beta. Only you have to remember that.
K3N1 क्यों नहीं लिखा सर? वहाँ पे सर आपने 1 क्यों नहीं लिखा?
बेटा
मुझे
कभी 1 लिखा जाता है क्या?
नो सर।
तो फिर
सर मैं यार सर स्टार्टिंग से नोट्स रिवाइज कर रहा था, तब से मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि सर जो सॉलिड होता है उसकी डेंसिटी वाटर से ज्यादा होती है। जैसे जो आइस का क्यूब होता है
सर नाइट्राइट और नाइट्रेट का फॉर्मूला बता सकते हैं सर आप? नाइट्राइट का, नाइट्राइट
क्या? NO2 माइनस होता है बेटा।
सर नाइट्रेट तो सिर्फ NO3 होता है ना?
No, NO2 minus is the charge of nitrate, but you need not to worry about it. Just write NO3 minus nitrate. Carbonate is CO3 minus. You have to remember all these. Not every time you'll be getting everything. Just try to remember that. If I tell you how the negative 2 charge is coming, then we have to tell you the whole covalent compound. That's why just remember it.
Sir, today what we have to write in notes?
Everything.
सर अभी तक कुछ लिखा ही नहीं सर।
Beta, from the recording you will write.
Okay.
This is phosphate. I didn't tell you any theory part. This is called as phosphate. You have to remember it. Ammonium.
सर जो शिफ्टिंग वैलेंसी नंबर्स होता है सर, जो आपने ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन बताया सर, उसका सर सिंबल ऐसे ही होता है सर जैसा आपने वहाँ पे सर करा है?
क्या करा है? क्या करा है?
Sir, can you send to Red's notes?
क्या? Beta, what notes? What notes?
So she saying that sir पूरे चैप्टर जितना भी हो गया सब उसके पूरा लिखा हुआ.
So I had okay, I'll just ask to someone. Ojas Gupta, have you written notes?
No, sir, not full.
Sir, I have written.
Okay, well,
Sir, only for today's. Yes, sir.
Okay, just follow the recording. I'll just give you the theory part on the next day. So just try to follow the recording. Only try to follow the things whatever I told you in the question marks. So
Sir, I have written Ojas Gupta.
okay, no problem. You have written. There is not any problem. But I'll just write. I'll just give you the written format of that. So no problem. I'm just giving you how to write a formula. That's why I was just taking the time, because it is not easy to take like this, because some students also now also some students are not understanding whatever I'm saying. They are just thinking about that one day will come and they will just revise it and they will get everything, or whatever the thing is remain, so they will be just saying to me, just repeat it once. Nothing like that. I told 35 students right now, but 3-4 students will tell to me, definitely tell to me, just repeat it each and everything, because they are not following me. So what can I do, beta? I'll be
क्या
giving
हम
you.
लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग सिर्फ खुद से रिवाइज कर ले, फिर जो समझ ना आए वो पार्ट पूछ ले आपसे.
Okay, everything I'll tell you. So have you written it? You have to write it, these 6 forms, and you have to write after seeing the video lecture. You have to write the each and every formula in whatever I have discussed in the today class, and whatever I did, like I told you, not charges. So you have to write the charges, these 5 charges, 1, 2, 3 format, 4 format, and 5 format, and 6 format. So you have to write the 6 format charges. You have to write the periodic table, only some elements from the periodic table. I told you 15-16 elements, like 4 here, 3 here, 4, 3, 7 to 9, and 4 here, 11 on 2, 11 and 4. Only 16-17 element I have told you today. So you have to remember the charges on that, and you have to follow the concept. I'll be giving you theory part on the next day, whenever you will be the class. But now I'm just able to tell you how the question will be coming. If I'll be giving you in the examination, there is sulfur and there is sodium. So will you be able to solve the question now?
Yes, sir.
So the question will be like that, not the theory part will be there. But I'll try to write the theory part. I will try to tell the theory part. Okay, there is a carbonate, and carbonate is there, and there is the sodium. So can anyone tell the formula?
Sodium carbonate, NaCO3.
Na.
सर अभी सर मैं नोट्स
Sir, NaCO3, sir, sodium carbonate.
Notes follow.
तो सर आप प्लीज
Scroll
बता
down, scroll
सकते
down.
हैं कि
Don't
सर
try to
ये
say
जो
like this. Try to
कार्बोनेट
mute yourself.
वगैरह ये सब सर बुक में लिखे हैं क्या?
What?
सर ये कार्बोनेट वगैरह बुक में लिखे हैं क्या सर? ये जो आपने अभी
चार्ज
लिखा है.
पार्टिकल कैसे पता चलते हैं?
चार्ज पार्टिकल कैसे पता चलते हैं? बेटा ये
सर
क्या
आपने
कर
वो
रहे हो? मतलब कितनी
टेबल
दिन
में आता है.
कितनी क्लासेस बता दी
सर
हमें
ये
चार्ज
जो
निकालने
आपने
के लिए?
सल्फेट के बाद आयन भी लिखा है, मीन सर ये आयन ऐसे सिर्फ उसका नाम में नहीं है, पर सिर्फ आयन
Correct.
अपने
This is
extra में
also
लिखा
a
है.
ion. This is also a ion. This is also a ion. Ion means the cation on an ion. I told you the negative charge and positive charge. If there will be any charge, then that will be called as the ion. So ion are the 2 types, positive and negative. So positive ion is called as the cation, and the negative charge is called as an anion. I told you now.
Yes sir, you have.
That's why I have written here. There is not any specific name of this sulfate. So every time if there is a charge, or either it is positive, either it is negative. So you can try to solve like this, that there is an ion part. There will not be any problem. Okay. So there is so you have to try to just remember these 6. So don't ask me the reason, because if I'll tell you the reason for this charge, why the phosphorus is containing the negative 3 charge, so I'll just following the coordinate compound and covalent compound both. That's why just try to remember only 6 of these. So will you be able to remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So remember that only 6 charges there: hydroxyl ion, NH4 ion, phosphate ion, carbonate ion, NO3 ion, nitrate ion, and sulfate ion. Sulfate ion is
ये
containing
सारे
-2.
सर बुक में है क्या?
Beta, why you are following your book? Just try to see your book. So why you are just asking the question like this? तुम्हारे book में है क्या? Scroll up, scroll down. Just try to follow the question, यार.
सर अगर आपने फॉर्मूला दिया जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन और कार्बोनेट, तो हम OCO3 लिखेंगे.
बेटा how oxygen and
सर आपने
carbonate will
जिससे
form the
बताए
bond?
सब उसमें
Because
से
सर मींस एक एग्जांपल है सर, एग्जिस्ट तो करता
सर
नहीं है
किसी
पर
एक
जैसे कि
एलिमेंट
example
और
है।
ये जैसे हमने आयंस लिखवाए हैं, इनका कोई रिएक्शन आप बता सकते हैं एग्जांपल में प्लीज?
इसका
जैसे से सोडियम कार्बोनेट को कैसे सही से लिखेंगे, ऐसे से कोई
I'm just giving you
एग्जांपल?
example. I'm just going to give you example. Okay, because Authus Gupta was saying oxygen and CO3 minus, so it cannot form the bond because oxygen and CO3 both is having a negative charge. That's why they cannot be making the bond. Okay, sodium carbonate. So sodium is having the positive or negative charge?
Yes sir, positive charge.
How many positive?
Positive 1,
Carbonate is having the
negative
minus.
Negative 2.
So if carbonate is having the -2, sodium is having the +1, that's why sodium will be containing the 1, and carbonate is having the -2, that's why it will contain the 2. So it will be forming a bond like sodium carbonate, that's why Na2CO3 will form. Is there any problem?
No sir.
So
Sir,
it
but
will
it
be
is
called
फर्स्ट
as,
राइट सर, अगर हम पहले लिखते हैं CO3 को तो
sorry,
सर if we first write this CO3, so CO3
always negative part will be coming later.
okay sir.
Only in some of the covalent compound like NH3 and all, the negative part will be coming earlier, but in 99% cases you'll be following
Sir,
negative
it is
charge.
also in our, it is also not in our syllabus type.
Okay,
If
okay.
negative is
So
coming
just
first.
leave that. Just
तो
leave
सर
that.
आंसर विल बी Na.
Okay. I'm just giving you some more examples. Try to make the sodium and sulfate. Try to make aluminium and phosphate. Try to make aluminium and hydroxide. Try to make potassium and nitrate. If any student is following each and every situation, each and every concept, they will be just solving each and every question. There is nothing in the question. Just try to tell me all the 4.
Sir,
Can
this
it-
much only?
Yes.
Sir, only these 4 questions?
Yes. Navida Mahajan. Can you tell?
No sir, I am trying.
Okay. Just try it. If you will not follow that, if you will not get it here, then I'll tell you.
Sir, first वाला बता दो sir, आ गया मेरे first वाले का.
Sorry.
Sir, can I tell the answer of first one?
Yes.
Second.
Not Na2O4. You can you
Na2SO4. Na2SO4.
sulfate is containing the -2 charge.
Na2SO.
Sulfate is containing the -2 charge. That's why it
Sir,
cannot be.
Na2SO sir first.
Yes. So it will be -2. It will be +1. So Na is having the 1 and SO4 is having the 2. That's why
सर
it will
इजी
be
हो गया सर, ये तो बहुत इजी है
Na2SO.
Sir, and second one is AlPO4.
सर. हाँ यस सर.
Second one is AlPO4.
सर
Okay.
Al.
Some student will be saying this is 3.
सर Al3PO3.
Some student will be
AlPO,
saying
sir.
this is 3 and this is also
AlP.
3.
Sir,
It is
AlPO4 आएगा आंसर.
Arey, wait, yaar, wait. Some student will be saying this is 3 and this is 3. Okay, just wait. Al is having the 3. PO4 is also having the 3 because it was -3, it was +3. So both will be having the 3. That's why Al also will be containing 3 and PO4 will also contain. Here I am just trying to give you a bracket just because of that. In each and every situation, because PO4 whole PO4 will be thrice. That's why I am giving you a bracket. So Al thrice, PO thrice. That's why 3 will be coming out. So 3 will be disappeared because if the same number will be in the both one, so it will disappear and AlPO4 will form. Not if anyone want to ask me why this is disappeared, just try to take the common number that it will
Sir,
form.
3 cancels -3.
Yes. So AlPO4 will form. If same number is coming in both the one. So can you tell the next one? AlOH.
Al3.
Sir, can you please scroll up?
OH3.
Just try to follow
Sir,
the question, not scroll up, scroll down. I'll scroll up. I'll give you
Sir,
recording. notes.
सर
Sir, ALOH.
Sorry.
Sir,
ALOH.
ALOH.
वाले का सर
OH.
A. सर AOH.
ALOH3 नहीं होगा
Three.
सर
सर ALOH3.
ALOH3.
If there will be more than one element, then Yeah, wait, yeah. If there will be more than one element, try to take a bracket. Like if there will Al and not try to like this ALOS thrice, because only hydrogen will be thrice, but oxygen will remain. That's why here Al and hydroxyl whole OH will be coming. That's why I'm just taking
And
brackets.
sir, last one answer is KNO3.
So is it right for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there any person in the class who is not getting whatever I told you in the today class? Arnav Chaturvedi, have you got everything? Arnav Chaturvedi. Okay, so there is a possibility of saying repeat it. But I'll give you a recording, yeah. Whatever you are just writing it, I'll just give you recording now. Till today, I'll send you recording by today night. So while you are just
Sir, if
in the
if
next
it
class,
was-
yeah, in the next class, I'll try to tell you the theory part, and also I'll try to solve some questions. Just try to solve question by yourself. Okay, one more question is there. If anyone
sir,
will,
if ALOH3 is coming, so that we will put a bracket on it OH.
क्या?
सर ये जो AlPO4 है सर इसमें भी हम ब्रैकेट लगा सकते हैं क्या?
ब्रैकेट वहां पे लगाएंगे जब एक से, अरे यार जैसे अब मान लो Na है और SO4 है. अब मान लो यहां पर तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर AlSO4 होता तो क्या करते बताओ. अब मान लो NaSO4 होता है, यहाँ पर +1 चार्ज है, यहाँ पर -2 चार्ज है, इसका 1 लिखेंगे.
3 चला जाता
यार खोलो ही क्या प्लीज, नॉट आस्किंग यू एनीथिंग. यहाँ पर 2 लिखो, यहाँ पर 1 लिखो. अब जस्ट राइट इट Na2SO4 का 1, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. यहाँ पर तो Na2SO4 डायरेक्टली लिख दिया, लेकिन इन द नेक्स्ट वन यहाँ पर 3 चार्ज है. So +3 will be containing, so it is having the 3 and it is containing -2, so here will be 2. So if we will just react it, so क्या बनेगा? Al2SO4 का 3. अब SO4 में अगर हमने SO4 लगाया और यहाँ पर ऐसे 3 कर दिया, तो भैया ऑक्सीजन में हुआ मल्टीप्लाई कि 4 में हुआ कि सल्फर में हुआ, क्या पता चला? इसीलिए हमने सल्फेट को किया पूरे मल्टीप्लाई, ताकि पता चले कि पूरे सल्फेट आयन में मल्टीप्लाई होगा 3 से. कोई दिक्कत?
नो सर.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No problem.
So can I just leave the class today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Leave the class. I'll send the recording. और recording से जितना नोट बना लेना. बाकी I'll try to give you the short notes on the next.
Sir, bye.